How to use SEA Global Asset Management app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The SEA Global Asset Management app gives investors professional access to one of Canada's most trusted asset managers. But beginners often fail to get the most out of it because they treat it like a basic investing app. Here's what to do differently. The first mistake is not exploring the fund details. SEA offers mutual funds, ETFs, and portfolios managed by experts. Beginners often invest without reviewing the fund objectives, risk rating, or holdings and end up with portfolios that don't match their goals. Next, don't ignore performance history and management fees. SEA's app provides full transparency. Comparing risk across funds helps you understand the true cost of investing and choose the most efficient options. Another mistake? Forgetting to use the goal planner. It's built right into the app to help you set timelines for retirement, education, or wealth growth. Without clear goals, it's hard to track progress. Pro tip: schedule quarterly reviews using SEA's in-app reports. They help you see how your portfolio is performing against your targets. And here's the surprising truth: investors who consistently review and adjust within SEA's ecosystem tend to achieve more stable, predictable growth. Used properly, the SEA Global Asset Management app connects you to expert-driven investment solutions, giving you control, clarity, and confidence in your long-term financial journey.